think that they don't like math, and they think it's hard, they think it's very formal, they think it's doesn't say anything to them about their lives or something that they enjoy. But in fact, I believe that the ability to appreciate math lies in everybody.
For example, for me, mathematics is just a way of connecting ideas that are really far apart from each other and sort of building a path of stepping stone to get from point A to point B.
Maybe as a mathematician, I'm sort of in this other world, or look at the world from a different viewpoint, where I just see mathematics everywhere.
The amazing thing about mathematics is that it can tell you things about the world. That's something we know, but what does that really mean? One of the things that I think is important to understand is that math is not just about formulas, it's about ideas.
The math department at MIT is the department that has the largest number of double major. So what that means is that a lot of students at MIT like to do math because they recognize is a really solid kind of background to have, and then they attach something they really wanted to do in their life, like many of them major in economics, many of them major in biology. But the fact that we have the largest number of double major, it speaks to the fact that really math is the interdisciplinary piece with respect to many other kind of majors that you can have at MIT.
The math department allows you to take a lot of courses that you just get to choose. So you have to take, some requirements, but you get to choose a lot of them. And then you get to find something you like and really, really take a lot of courses in that and do a lot of really cool things.
We also teach communication intensive courses in mathematics, which is very unusual. The communication intensive courses are courses in which students learn how to write and how to communicate in the major. So how to write mathematics and how to communicate in mathematics. The students are fantastic. They are also very much willing to learn how to write a paper in math, how to deliver math, and they themselves feel like by the end of the class they can express their mathematical ideas much better than the beginning. So it's very interactive, and I think at the end of the day very useful.
The math department's great. It's a little bit daunting at first, especially because there are some people who come from backgrounds where they went to some big private school and did lots of competition math and all sorts of math that just wasn't available or I didn't know existed before I came to MIT. It's been a great experience. I've learned a lot about me as a person and said, okay, this is definitely what I want to do. Because I think you know what you want to do when you're just so happy doing whatever it is in the subject, really no matter what it is.
What's amazing is how mathematics is used universally among people. So the mathematics that we do here in the United States is the same mathematics that goes on in other countries.
It's a very challenging subject, but it's also a very well organized subject. So there is not such a thing as a gray area, either you get it or you don't get it. It's just like yes or no.
Mathematics is just everywhere, and if we can understand mathematics and understand how it relates to the world, then we can just make a better world. Because everything's just mathematics.